Hi Stampers, it's Nancy from StampandShout.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's card is using the Circle Sayings stamp set, and it also comes with a coordinating circle punch. So I am here every day at noon, Monday through Friday, to share with you some card ideas and some tips and tricks on using whatever the featured stamp is that I've chose for the week. And this week, like I said, it's Circle Sayings. So let me show you today's card. This is actually a note card. And if you are not familiar with Stampin' Up's note cards, it comes in a pack like this, and it's a pack of 10 cards and 10 envelopes. And they're the perfect little card, perfect size for sending a quick little note or a thank you or a cheer me up card, whatever it is. And they're really nice and nice quality, and they're a great economical value too. So today's a note card, and we're using Circle Sayings. So let's get started. So here's my note card, and it comes pre-scored. So we're just going to burnish that with our boned folder. And then I am using Parakeet Party as a mat for the front, and our stamping piece is white. And then I have two little scraps of Tahitian Tide. And I will have all these sizes on my blog. So after the video, if you want to know the sizes, see more pictures, you can visit stampandshout.blogspot.com, and I'll have all that information there. So let's get started. Let's keep going. So the first thing I'm going to do is run this through my embossing folder to give it some pretty texture. And this is the Countryside Blossom embossing folder. And I'm just going to go ahead and center it like that, and I'll be right back. We'll give it some texture. Let's look at this, how pretty it is. If you can see that pretty texture, that adds so much to your card. It's just amazing. So I can go ahead and glue these two pieces together. So go ahead and say hi if you're watching me, whether it's live or on the replay. I'm going to see your comments, and then I'm going to go back and look at the comments, and anyone who does comment will be entered to win today's card. So every Monday I will announce who the previous 5 winners are, and I will mail you the card of the day. If you comment more than once, you're going to get an extra entry. However many times you comment, that's how many times you are going to be entered. So I thought that'd be kind of fun, just kind of quick and fun, easy to do. So go ahead and say hi. Tell us where you're from. Tell us what you think of the card. Okay, so now I'm going to do some stamping, and then we'll finish putting our card together. So let's bring in one of the stamps in the Circle Saying stamp set. This is the flower stamp. So we're going to use that flower stamp right there. And this is Tahitian Tide ink. Very cheerful, very pretty. That is gorgeous. And then I am going to bring in, actually I'm going to go ahead and stamp the word thank you instead of smile. So let me find that stamp. Oh, come on, it was just here. Here it is, thank you. So I'm going to stamp thank you. Right in the center. Then I'm going to punch this out before I do the top part, just to make sure that I have the sizes right and I don't go out of the circle. So let's bring our punch in and punch that out. Now I'm going to bring in the little banner that says sending you a. So again, I'm going to use Tahitian Tide, and I'm just going to line this up at the top of that circle. And it's hard to see. Hang on a second. Let me bring in a different color so we can kind of see where the top of that is. So just line this up right at the top, right in the center. And there you go, sending you a thank you. So this one says sending you a smile, but I thought this would make a nice little thank you card. You can always use thank you cards. All right, so let's put this together. So I'm going to go ahead and I have these two little strips. These are about a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch by what? 2.5. So I'm going to put one at the top and one at the bottom. Now you could put a whole strip of paper, but you don't have to because it's going to be covered up, so you don't have to use too much paper that way. You just have to make sure when you're done you have them fairly even from top to bottom, but that's kind of easy to do. So I got one there at the top, and now I'll put this one at the bottom. Like that. Now we can go ahead and put our matte piece on with that pretty embossing. Put that right in the middle. And then our circle is going to go just like that. And I'm just going to glue it down because it's kind of white on white, so I didn't want to pop it up. It looks really pretty just right here in the center like this. And then I have some of these blue gems, which are on the clearance rack right now, and they look really pretty on here. So I can get this little baggie open. We'll put a couple of rhinestones on here, or gems. Okay, let's take a look. So the inside I'm going to leave blank just to write on. And like I said, these are nice and sturdy, so it's a nice little sturdy card to send out, but it's perfect to write your friend or whoever a little thank you note, or just saying hi, sending you a smile. So that's today's card. I hope you like it. Again, I'll be back at noon, Monday through Friday. I'm here. Comments, if you comment, you will be entered to win today's card. So I do hope you like them. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe so you will be notified whenever I make a new video. And share my video with your friends. I would appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you at noon. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.